Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Hindi Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Hindi. Imagine this. You're standing in a busy street in Delhi. Cars pass by. Voices fill the air. A stranger looks at you, smiles, and says something in Hindi. You feel it instantly. That moment, the opportunity to connect, to respond, to belong. But instead, you hesitate because you don't know what to say. That changes today. Because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Hindi clearly, confidently, and naturally. And by the end, you won't just understand it, you'll be able to say it. Let's begin. Every conversation begins with a greeting. In Hindi, the most common and respectful way to say hello is namaste, pronounced na, mas, tai. Say it solely, na, mas, tai. Again, namaste. This word is powerful. It's polite, it's respectful, it works almost everywhere. Take a moment, say it out loud. Namaste. Good. Now, let's introduce yourself. In Hindi, you say, Mera naam. Hi. Pronounced Mehra naam. Hi. This means, my name is. Let's break it down. Mera naam means my name. Hi means is. So if your name is Alex, Mera naam Alex hai. Say it slowly. Mera naam Alex hai. Now your turn. Mera naam. Your name. Hi. Again, slower. Mera naam. Your name. Hi. Nice. You've just introduced yourself in Hindi. Now, let's continue the conversation. To ask someone's name, you say, Aapka naam kya hai? Pronounced. Aapka naam kya hai? Apa. Break it down. Aapka naam kya hai? Again. Aapka naam kya hai? Try it. Aapka naam kya hai? Good. You're now having a real interaction. After exchanging names, you want to be polite. You say, Aapse milkar khushi hui. Pronounced, Aapse milkar khushi hui. This means, nice to meet you. Let's slow it down. Aapse milkar. Khushi हुई. Again, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Take your time. Feel the flow. Say it again. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now, let's connect everything. Listen first. Namaste. मेरा नाम एलेक्स है. आपका नाम क्या है? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now slower. Namaste. मेरा नाम एलेक्स है. आपका नाम क्या है? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now your turn. Say it out loud. Take your time. In casual situations, you can speak less formally instead of आपका. You can say तुम्हारा. So the question becomes, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Just try it. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Against तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Now you sound more relaxed and natural. Let's expand your introduction to say where you're from. Maine, Sehun, pronounced. Maine, Sehun. This means I am from. Example. Maine, India से हूँ. Maine, Canada से हूँ. Try it. Maine, your country से हूँ. Again. Maine, your country से हूँ. Now combine everything. मेरा नाम एलेक्स है. Maine, Australia से हूँ. Smooth, confident. Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. Namaste. मेरा नाम your name है. मैं your country से हूँ. आपका नाम क्या है? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Take a breath. Again, smoother. Namaste. मेरा नाम your name है. मैं your country से हूँ. आपका नाम क्या है? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Good. You're building rhythm now. Imagine it again. You're in India. Someone smiles and says, Namaste. And this time, you don't freeze. You respond, Namaste. Mera naam your name hai. They tell you their name. You ask, Aapka naam kya hai? They answer. You smile and say, Aapse milkar khushi hui. And just like that, you've connected. You're part of the moment. Let's review everything. Namaste. Hello. Mera naam. Hi. My name is. Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Aapse milkar khushi hui. Nice to meet you. Man se hun. I am from. Say them slowly. Repeat them. Let them settle. You don't need perfection. You need practice. And today, you started. In the next lesson, we'll build on this. But for now, repeat this. Say it out loud. Use it. Own it. Because the next time someone speaks to you in Hindi, you won't hesitate. You'll respond. And that changes everything. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.